Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create this double colorful cut crease eyeshadow look. So let's just start with filling in my eyebrows. I'm here using Hilary Rhoda Eyebrow Kit in the shade 02. And with the help of an angular brush, I'm here filling in my eyebrows. Moving on, I'm here using O2O eye primer to prime my eyes. Evenly spread the eye primer with the help of a flat brush, or you can also use your finger. Using a sponge will give you a nice base, thus removing the extra product on your eyelid. Now I'm going to set the primer in place using the ColorBar translucent powder. Let's start with the application of eyeshadow. For that, I'm here using this bright yellow shade from Makeup Revolution palette. I'm here applying the first shade just above my crease line, back and forth. For the second shade, I am using this sunset yellow or light orange shade and going to apply it on my crease line. To make it more look gradient, I am here using this light pink shade and going to apply it on the same area. Now here I am going to use this black shade to create a line on my crease line. Again going to blend the black shade with the same pink shade which we have used earlier. To cut the crease, I am here using Miss Clear concealer in the shade 02. Now start applying the black eyeshadow on the outer V of your eyes. I'm here dragging down the black shade towards my lower lash line. To smudge the edges of black eyeshadow, I'm here using the pink eyeshadow. Again, I'm just going to use the previous shades, which are orange and yellow. Now I'm going to apply the black eyeshadow on my lower lash line, following the same 3 shades, pink, orange and yellow. To highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. For my waterline, I'm here using Maybelline Black Gel Eyeliner and using the same to tagline my eyes. To remove any gaps, smudge the waterline with the help of an angular brush or any other brush. For mascara, I'm using my all-time favorite Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. To add more glam, I'm using Swiss Beauty Silver Glitter Eyeliner. I'm here applying the glitter on the leftover part of my crease line. So guys, this is the final look. I really hope you like this video. Please give love to this video and share it with your friends who are into makeup. Also, I would like to wish all my viewers a very happy Holi in advance. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.